Your sneeze just launched a 40,000 droplet tornado at 100 mph. That's faster than a baseball pitch. Each droplet is packed with viruses, some still alive after 10 seconds in the air. Your nose just became a biological weapon factory. That vortex you just created? It's spinning faster than a Category 1 hurricane's eye. And here's the kicker, you can't see a single one of them. Your brain registers the sneeze 0.3 seconds after your body already reacted. Those droplets, they're traveling 10 feet in under 2 seconds faster than Usain Bolt's top speed. And guess what? Half of them bypass your mask like it's made of tissue paper. Sneeze into your elbow or a tissue, then comment below with your last Achoo speed race you to the replies.